Christmas everyone. Today is December 24. So mamaya na po ang Christmas party. So lahat po ay mag-celebrate ng Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas everyone. Hi mahal, Merry Christmas. I'm work today, mahal. Look, no more people. Yeah, because today is everybody busy, going to market, going to grocery, buy anything. Maybe after Christmas, I will buy for myself. You know? Love you. Love you, mahal. Good. Dito tayo. Merry Christmas tayo. Happy New Year soon. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, mahal. Merry Christmas, Philippines. Bye. Merry Christmas, everyone.